And here we have our light brown rice. That's why I say brown white, because it's very light brown rice. It's not that brown, as you may see in the pan right here. See the name, Della light brown rice organic. Hello, welcome back to Lady J's Kitchen and Mr. H. Today we have on the menu some curry chicken. In this bowl we have some seasoned chicken thigh. And in this bowl we have some peppers, red, spicy, and bell peppers, onion, garlic. And over here we have some potatoes, some carrots, and over here we have some scallion and some thyme. Okay, so welcome all. Thank you for coming by and enjoy the meal. Stay tuned, buckle up, and get ready for the finish. And right here in this plate, we have the spices that would be added to the chicken. We have some cumin, we have some masala, we have some turmeric, we have some clove, some nutmeg, and we have some pimento seeds. Okay, so all these is gonna add to the chicken to bring it to its niceness. Okay, so as always, stay tuned. Okay, pot is ready. Let's roll it on. Right here we're gonna be adding some oil to the pot and some curry, because we got to burn that curry to get that nice flavor in. You know, I'm not sure about, but they say if you don't burn the curry right, you get like a little runny, hurting belly. So let it burn for maybe a minute or 2 or 3 in the oil. There we go. Maybe a spoon of curry and maybe 2 tablespoons oil. This is what I put, 2 tablespoons oil with some curry. And that's like a spoon of curry. Have some more in there. And we're gonna let it burn a little for maybe a minute or 2, and then we add in our chicken. Here we are. Some oil with some curry. We burn it for a minute or 2. Get that dark brown coloring. I'm just following what we used to do from our mothers, my aunties, and all those cousins and sisters. They always burn the curry before they put in the chicken. A little more stir. Okay. So here we are adding the chicken to the pan. And get burned now. All right, let's go. Okay. There we go, right there. Stir it up a little. And let it sit there for maybe 5 minutes. Let it sit into the curry and simmer down. And then we're going to come back and add in some of the good ingredients, like the peppers and the onions and the thyme and the garlic. Right now we're going to throw a little thyme in there. We want to get that flavor in. That's time to get all that seasoning in there. All right. And let it sit down for a little while. Get that flavor of the curry inside. And we'll be back. Stay tuned. All right, this is what it's looking like. So we're going to cover it up for maybe 15 minutes. And then we're going to add in the rest of the stuff. Let it cook for 15 minutes. We add the rest of the curry, the masala, and all the rest of the stuff in there. We're going to let it sit there and let it cook. We add a little water, half a cup of water. Okay? All right. See what it's looking like? Remember, chicken makes its own water, so to get it to that part, we don't put too much water in the pan. Not as yet. So we have half a cup of water, and the chicken makes its own water. Look at this. And then let it cook for a little 20 minutes, and then we add on the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so after 20 minutes of cooking the chicken thigh with the masala, the curry, the thyme, we're going to add in now the potatoes, the carrots, and the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to add water to the pot for another 20 minutes. We're going to let it cook. Okay, so here we are adding the potato. Judy style, Lady J, aka Judy style of cooking her curry chicken. And here we are, all the other ingredients going to be added to the pot with water. So you see that right here? And we're going to cook it for another 20 to 25 minutes and get the niceness in together. It makes the pot look so beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? All the beautiful colors in the water. So we're going to cook it for another 20 minutes and stay tuned for the finish. Okay, this is what the pot is looking like after 40 minutes of cooking. Almost there. Give it another 10 more minutes. And we'll bring it to the finish. Okay, my lovies, this is what my curry chicken is looking like. It's to the finish. And you see the gravy? Look at the gravy. Yes. Nice gravy. And it's very tasty because I taste the pot. See the carrots, you have the potato. You have the potato right here. And the gravy is just right. So we're going to plate it out. And I'll show you the yummy, yummy curry chicken. Lady J style, okay? Everybody do it their own way. This is how I do it in our kitchen, okay? Stay tuned. We'll plate it out in a few and we'll show you the finish. Look at this. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Nice. Okay guys, thank you for joining me at Lady J and Mr. H Kitchen. This is the finish of our curry chicken, our curry chicken, light brown rice, and broccoli. Have a blessed day, have a blessed week, and stay prayed up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up. Tell a friend, and peace out. All blessings and favor. May God watch over you, guide you, and protect you and your family in your going and your coming. Travel in mercy wherever you go. Love, love. Bye.